Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This week we are checking out one of the newest batteries from LiTime. This is a huge 48-volt battery. It's 150 amp hours, which is insane. This is a lithium golf cart battery, but it can definitely be used for UTVs and solar DIY setups. This is an amazing battery to have for your solar power because it can give you an amazing output. 300 amp high power. And there's a huge discount going on right now. And if you're in a hurry and want to take advantage of that, use our promo code AdventureTech2. On top of that, drop the price a little bit more for you. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over to that page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to go over every single detail on this brand new battery. Okay, power that goes far and pulls hard. This is a seriously awesome upgrade. Not only is it an upgrade, but if you're going from different type of battery, these lithium iron phosphate batteries are so light, you're going to be getting more power and it's going to be lighter, so you're going to have a double boost there. These are built for 48-volt golf carts and UTVs. The LiTime 51.2-volt, 150 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery delivers long-range, stronger power, and smarter control in one professional-grade solution. So you drive farther, climb easier, and worry less. 300 amp continuous discharge. That is insane. We are talking about what's that? About 15,000 watts. That is a serious amount of power right there. Drive up to 70 miles on that. Plus you got smart Bluetooth control, and I love the LiTime app. You can hop on it so quickly and easy, very easy to use. Real-time status monitoring with the monitor as well if you don't want to mess around with the app. And you got self-developed 300 amp BMS. This battery is one of the most impressive 48-volt batteries I have ever seen in my life. This thing is very capable. And the fact that you can get 1,000 amp peak discharge out of this battery is insane. That's for those moments when you got to give it a little bit more juice going up the hill, or if you have a huge surge in your system. This is a strong power that you can rely on. 300 amp continuous discharge. Think about that. This is probably one of the highest discharges you can get out of a single 48-volt battery on the market. Gives you stable driving conditions under heavy load, plus that 1,000 amp peak I was talking about for 5 seconds can give you some serious boost when you need it. Gives you confident acceleration and easy hill climbing. Maintain performance even during sustained high-speed operation. This battery is a beast. Drive longer and charge this less. With a high 7.68 kilowatt energy capacity, that's 1.5 times the average size golf cart battery that's 48-volt lithium. This is a 150 amp hour golf cart and UTV battery, delivers up to 70 miles per charge, supports full days on the golf course or extended UTV use while reducing charging frequency and downtime. Go farther and worry less, built for those longer rides, and it's rain ready. 70 miles per charge, IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating. This is why this battery is so amazing and why it can last so long for you, why they give you such a crazy warranty with this. And you got all the control that you need. You can use the app and monitor status. You can use a Bluetooth protection, and you get OTA updates for secure long-term use in multi-battery systems. One Bluetooth connection gives full visibility across the entire system. Super easy to check one battery to another and different things like that. I love the LiTime app. Instead of having to go back a couple screens and then connect to another device and all that, you can just swipe left to right, easily look at your different devices that quick. And those OTA updates can save your device. If there's any problems down the road, often they can fix it just with an update. It's really awesome. And with that app, you get auto connection, battery system check, data status monitoring, and real-time discharge switch, control battery off, and plenty more. And these features are just so great to have in hand. Takes away all of the guesswork. One app, full system, it's all you need, really. So you get stronger acceleration with that 300 amp continuous output and enjoy a more compact fit, smaller build to outperform other 150 amp hour batteries. Because other batteries of the same size, generally you'll only get 150 to 200 continuous for the amp output. And the size of this battery is just a little bit smaller than your average, which is really big for a lot of people who are limited on space. So you can see your power your way. view live battery data on a plug-in RS485 display, and I like this little display. It's really nice. I don't want to have to pull out my phone and different things like that. You can quickly check out the battery and see what's going on with it, and has various parameters you can check over if you're really into the more detailed specs. Supports external system communication and Victron compatible integration for centralized monitoring. So if you got the new eChrono GX and things like that, you'll be able to hook that in as well. And on top of this battery just performing in an amazing way, this is safe, proven, and it's certified. It's built with EV grade LFP battery cells. That's lithium iron phosphate. This is not lithium ion that you've been hearing about in the news, having all these problems. This is lithium iron phosphate. The chemistry of this battery is inexplodable by nature, making it very, very safe. And you get 300 amp BMS built in with 20 plus protections, protects against over discharge, low temp, all kinds of different things. And it has various certifications, giving it dependability and compliant performance. And this is built for real world conditions. This is a metal case. This is IP65 rated. Simple power button, LED indicators give you idea your battery status at a quick glance. Reliable operation and easy status checks for indoor, low light, really any kind of conditions that you're gonna see commonly with golf carts and UTVs. And like I said, there's broad application with this battery. Beyond its primary electric drive use, this 150 amp hour golf cart and UTV battery also supports low-speed vehicles, electric lawnmowers, home backup systems, off-grid setups, RVs, marine applications, offers one dependable power solution across a very, very wide range of scenarios. And not only is this battery huge, but you can connect up to 16 of these batteries in parallel, and it reaches a full charge in about 8 hours with the recommended LiTime 48V LFP battery charger, giving you flexible power as your needs expand. And the fact that this is plug and play with Victron is awesome. You can get this battery set up, run it with the Victron system, and the most that you're gonna have to do is change the bus cam profile, which is super quick and easy. And we did a video all about that on Adventure Tech 2.0 YouTube channel if you wanna check that out and learn how to do that yourself. Because you can actually connect non-Victron batteries and things like that to the new Victron eChrono GX. And we figured out exactly the easiest and quickest way to do that. But anyways, this battery is on sale. There's a huge discount going on. Use our promo code AdventureTech. You can drop that price down a bit more. Use the links in the comments in the description to get right over to that page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. We are bringing you the most up-to-date and top-of-the-line products on this channel. The thing that we want to do here is share the best products and the best deals as soon as they come out so you can get the lowest and best prices of them, or we may highlight deals as time goes on. So go ahead and subscribe for free by clicking that subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon and you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals and brand new technology.